Hey, party people from the fifth dimension. This is your homeboy Angelo out here, one with nature, down at the end of my street. And what a beautiful day. Take a look over here. Look at these trees. Nature everywhere you go. The crows have been crowing it up a lot lately, and I'm feeling pretty good. The sun is back in full effect, so everything is blooming like crazy. We've had some great rains in recent weeks, so much so that there has been a national weather advisory flood warning for the Portland area. People say, well, we needed that rain because, there are fires later in the summer. We don't get a lot of rain in the middle of summer. So things are just starting to heat up. It's mid-June right now. We're feeling good. And I'm just so grateful to be here with you guys. I'm glad that you came to watch this video. A lot of times we have topics like health hacks, life advice. Just wanted to share a little bit of my day with you because that's what I do. I share. And my health is my wealth. Being outside, getting grounded into nature is everything to me. So get those bare feet into this ground. As someone who loves nature and loves to record and share moments in my day and create content, being out here is just one of the most amazing things to me. It's so healing. It connects me with the earth. It connects me with source energy. It connects me with God. Being outside is one of the greatest medicines for my soul, and I would say most people. If you're feeling like you're under the weather, physically, mentally, emotionally, get yourself outside. Get some breath into your lungs. Do some deep breaths. Go talk to somebody. Go say hi to somebody. Go smile at somebody. Just ask somebody how they're doing. If you're shy, well, too bad. Go out there and just say hello and smile. Appreciate every moment that you have, especially in these warmer months when things are nice. And I'm lost for words for a change.